my dear students, welcome back to my channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today we are discussing about the most important formulas in your term 2 examination. You should thoroughly go through these all formulas. These are very important. We have to discuss chapter wise formulas. Okay. So first one is the polynomial chapter. So we already discussed so many problems in polynomial. In polynomial, the first important theorem is a remainder theorem. That is, remainder theorem is based on if any polynomial p of x is divided by a linear polynomial, then p of x be any polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then the remainder is p of a. That is the remainder theorem. If any polynomial p of x is divided by the linear polynomial, then the remainder is p of a. That is the remainder theorem. So application of remainder theorem is we already discussed. Okay. Then second is a factor theorem. These are the two theorems in polynomial. In the factor theorem, p of x be any polynomial with a degree n greater than or equal to 1. P of x be any polynomial with degree n greater than or equal to 1. Then if first condition is if x minus a is a factor. If x minus a is a factor, then p of a equal to 0. If x minus a is a factor, p of a equal to 0. This is the first condition. If it is given any polynomial, if any given polynomial is divided by x minus 2 is a factor, means we must write p of 2 equal to 0. That is the condition. Okay. Then second one is if p of a equal to 0, then what is the factor? X minus a is the factor of the polynomial. These are the two conditions. So if it is a remainder theorem, means if it is divided by x minus a means p of a. That is a remainder. That means we have to substitute a in place of that polynomial. Okay. The second case is if x minus a is a factor, means p of a equal to 0. If p of a equal to 0 means then x minus a is a factor. These are the two important theorems. Okay. You thoroughly practice it. Next, important identities. You thoroughly practice that identities. If you don't know the answer, if you don't know the problem how to do also, you should write the identity. That is the most important thing. Okay. The first one is a plus b the square. What is a plus b the whole square? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Otherwise, we can write it as x plus y the whole square. That is also same. X square plus 2xy plus y square. Whatever it may be, the variable x or y, whatever it may be. Okay. Then a minus b the whole square. We already discussed a square minus 2ab plus b square. Look at these two. Only one difference. This is here plus means all plus. If minus means only the middle term, that is minus 2ab is the negative. Is it clear? Then the third one is a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? That is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Okay. Then next term, a plus b the whole cube. What is a plus b the whole cube? That is very important. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. We can rewrite as another method. We can write as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is another formula. Similarly, a minus b the whole cube is the same as a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Then we can rewrite as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. These are the very important formulas or identities in your polynomial. Okay. Once more, a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus B square means A plus B into A minus B. A plus B the whole cube equal to A cube plus 3A. B cube plus A cube plus B cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square. A minus B the whole cube equal to A cube minus B cube minus 3AB into A minus B. These are the important formulas in your polynomial chapter. So thoroughly practice this. Okay. Next, most important formulas in the surface area and volume. That is the most important chapter. So you should thoroughly go through the important formulas of the surface area and volume. Let us see what are the formulas are important in the surface area and volume. Next chapter is surface area and volume. In the surface area and volume, the first is cuboid. You should thoroughly study all the formulas. Okay, so cuboid. Cuboid means length, breadth, height. These are the measurements: length, breadth, height. Okay, so in cuboid, first one is curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of a cuboid? That is 2h into L plus B. That is the curved surface area. Then the second one is total surface area. What is total surface area? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. And one more thing is volume. What is the volume? Volume is equal to L into B into H. These are the three formulas about cuboid. So CSA is 2H into L plus B and TSA is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH and volume is LBH. If it is given any problem like that, the whitewashing the room, that like given means you should write not the total surface area, you should write CSA plus the roof. Roof is only length into breadth. So L into B. This is the formula for the whitewashing the room. Okay. That means what is here? CSA 2H into L plus B plus L into B. That is the formula. Okay. No need to find the total surface area. Okay. If any given measurements of a room and what is the cost of whitewashing that room means you have to choose this formula CSA plus the ceiling, that is the roof. That means the length into breadth only. So 2H into L plus B plus L into B. We want to find the cost means first of all we want to find this. After that we have to multiply with the cost. Then you will get the total amount. Is it clear? Okay. Next one is cube. So cube means all the sides. Side is A. Okay. So cube is A. Then what is a curved surface area? Curved surface area of a cube is 4A square and total surface area is 6A square and volume is A cube. This is the formula for the cube. Cube means all the sides are equal. So the side is A. So the curved surface area is 4A square and TSA is 6A square and volume is A cube. Okay. Then next third one is cylinder. So cylinder means what are the radius, height. Radius and height. So cylinder is like this. Okay. So this is the radius and this is the height. So then what is the CSA of the cylinder? That is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. That is the curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. And the total surface area is equal to 2 pi R into H plus R. 2 pi R into H plus R. And what is the volume? Volume is equal to pi R square H. This is very important. Volume of the cylinder is pi R square H. These are based on cylinder. Okay. The next fourth one is the cone. So what is a cone? So cone is like this. Okay. Like as a birthday cake. So this is H and this is L and this is R. So radius, length, height. This is a cone. So what is CSA of a cone? CSA equal to pi RL and total surface area is equal to, that is pi R into L plus R and the volume is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Look at these two. Cylinder is pi R square H but the cone's volume is 1 by 3 pi R square H. Is it clear? The volume of a cylinder is pi r square h and the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square. Is it clear? Okay. Then next, fifth one is sphere. Sphere is like that, then the radius only. Okay, sphere. Then what is the total surface area of a sphere? That is 4 pi r square. Then volume of a sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is the only difference. Total surface area is 4 pi r square. But the volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. Then last one is 6 is hemisphere. So the hemisphere is, that is this line. This is the hemisphere. The radius is r. Then what is the CSA? That is equal to 2 pi r square. Curved surface area is 2 pi r square and the total surface area is 3 pi r square and the volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. So the total surface area is 3 pi r square and volume is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So these are the important formulas behind surface area and volume. You should thoroughly go through all the formulas. Okay. So in this cuboid, cone, cube, cylinder, then sphere and hemisphere. These are the important things. Curved surface area, total surface area and volume. These are the three important things. You should thoroughly practice this. Okay. Next important formula is based on the probability. In the probability, nothing is there. It is very easy because probability means total number of outcome is also is there and favorable outcome. So the probability of an event, that is E. Probability of an event, that is E equal to the number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcome. This is the formula. So probability of an event is equal to the number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. Okay. If a coin is tossed, a coin is tossed 5 times. Okay. If coin is tossed 5 times, the getting head is 2 and getting tail is 3. So here what is the probability of getting a head? What is the probability of getting a head means P of E or a P of H equal to. Here what is the how many times we got it head? Only 2 times. That means that is the favorable outcome. So here it is favorable outcome by total outcome. So the favorable outcome is 2. What is how many times we tossed? Total 5 times we tossed. So 2 by 5 is the probability of that event getting head. Then what is the probability of getting a tail? So how many times we got? In 5 times we got only 3. So that is the favorable outcome. So what is the probability of getting a tail means favorable outcome is 3 divided by how many times total tossed 5. So 3 by 5 is the probability of getting a tail. Okay. If it is getting probability of an event E equal to 1. If we tossed 5 times, in all the 5 times we got head means, so it will get a 5 by 5 favorable outcome and also total outcome also equal, then it equal to 5 by 5 equal to 1. That means it is a sure event. That means it is a sure event. Okay. So next, if a coin is tossed 5 times, it will get a neutral face. That means it will stand like this, head or tail, that like. It will happen? No, it will not happen. That means it is not an impossible event. There the favorable outcome is 0. There the favorable outcome is 0. The total outcome is 5. So it is called it as a impossible event. Okay. So these are the important things in the probability. So you must thoroughly go through all the formulas. Okay. So I hope you all understood. These all formulas you must revise before your exam. These all formulas. Okay. Okay. So I hope you all understood. If you like this video, means like, do share with your friends. Okay. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, that means please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon on the right side. Then only you will get more updates from my channel. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. See you soon on my next video. Till then, bye.